Close your eyes and take a deep breath in. What if starting right now, their heart could no longer ignore you? What if the silence between you began to feel louder to them than it ever has to you? In this moment, something is shifting. Not by force, not by chasing, but by energy. Because when you align your energy the right way, they don't just think about you. They feel you. They miss you. They ache for you. And they come back ready to apologize. Now stay with me, because by the end of this meditation, you will become unforgettable in their mind and undeniable in their heart. Now take a slow, deep breath in through your nose, hold it gently, and release through your mouth. Again, breathe in deeply and exhale, letting your shoulders drop. Allow your body to soften. Your jaw unclenches. Your forehead smooths. You are safe here. You are powerful here. With every breath, you are letting go of the need to chase and stepping into the energy that naturally draws them back to you. Now silently or out loud, repeat after me. They feel my absence deeply. They cannot ignore my energy. Their heart is pulling them back to me. I am unforgettable. I am irreplaceable. I am the one they truly desire. They think about me constantly. They replay our memories over and over. They feel the weight of losing me. Their heart aches for my presence. Their soul longs to reconnect with me. They are realizing my value more and more every second. They are becoming emotionally drawn to me again. They want to hear my voice. They want to see my name. They want to be close to me again. An apology is building inside of them. They feel the need to make things right. They are softening toward me. They are opening their heart to me. I am magnetic. I am desired. I am deeply loved. Now let these words sink in, not as wishes, but as truth. Now imagine them. See their face clearly in your mind. At first they seem distracted, busy, distant, but then something shifts. They pause. Your name enters their mind unexpectedly, and this time they can't push it away. They feel it in their chest. A tightness, a pull. They miss you. They think about your voice, your energy, your presence. And suddenly the silence between you feels unbearable. They start to question everything. Why did I let you go? Why did I hurt you? Feel that realization growing inside of them. Now see them holding their phone. They hesitate, but the urge is stronger than their ego. Their heart is speaking louder than their pride. Then they begin typing an apology, sincere, emotional, and real. Feel the shift. This is not forced. This is not manipulation. This is alignment. Because you are no longer chasing. You are attracting. Now repeat. They are coming back to me with sincerity. They are choosing me with clarity. Their heart knows I am the one. Their mind is finally catching up. They cannot replace me. They cannot forget me. They cannot move on from me. I am the love they crave. I am the connection they need. They feel drawn to apologize. They feel compelled to reconnect. Everything is aligning in my favor. Now take a deep breath in. And as you exhale, release any doubt. You don't need to wonder when. You don't need to question if. It is already unfolding. Your only job is to stay in this energy, to know your worth, to embody your power, and to allow them to come to you. Take one final deep breath. Feel your power. Feel your calm. Feel your certainty. And when you are ready, gently open your eyes and trust they are already feeling it. Type this in the comments to lock in this energy. They feel me. They miss me. They are coming back to apologize. Say it, claim it, own it, because this energy is now yours. And if you want to accelerate this manifestation even faster, I've created powerful tools and guided experiences for you at joybyjanell.com. This is where you can deepen this energy, strengthen your alignment, and make their return feel inevitable.